Just welcome, welcome, welcome. This is our second day tour. Not the second day tour, but we just went for the hiking up to that point, and we are going through the Chindey Dadha, and we will 1.5 years something to reach Chindey Dadha, and after that add upon 2 hours over there. बड़ा हुनु भयो हाम्रो Bada is so powerful, so at this age kind of having this kind of good strength, अब भन्दाखेरि यतिको उमेरमा अहिलेको जेनेरेसनमा कसैले सक्दैन भनेको तिमी बाहेक
लेग मसल देख्यो बाजेको यो राख्दिउँ न
झोला बोक्नु भनेको हैन यही छ त नि भारी छ अबे तिम्रो पनि देऊ न यहाँ हाल्नु आफै They want me to carry their burdens, and they are just using me just like a porter, carrying a heavy weights for them up to that some point, and when they want they use it, and after that फेरि काँधमा भारी बिसाइदिन्छ, and I need to carry with this.
नेपालीमा बनाऊ भन्छु कि अहिले म कुइरै हुन खोज्दाखेरि त नि कुइरै भ्यू हो ओ यो नजिकै दानाबारी नजिक
Not me then.
दानाबारी नजिक दानाबारी टाढो नि दानाबारी जानु त बिहान जानु पर्यो अस्ति हामी यति बेला त अस्ति हामी यति गएको है
So यो चाहिँ नयाँ पुल बनेको the bridge हैन, and there's a plenty of human beings, the people swimming around the river stream. So if you can see at the upper point there, that's the viewpoint. There's a plenty of hotel, whether you like to you want to visit which there's a one group coming down to river stream named Kalikola across the river, or what do we call that, the Sardukola. So this is Kalikola, and people, the young generation come over this place to just to chill. They bring their stuffs, just like snacks. They used to swim over there, not swim, but they want to take the bath. And other group of there I can see the wearing cat. There's a girl. Okay, there's a girl group. I don't know whether they are the same, they are the one or not. So they come down this place and chill down. by taking bath. So it's cool. Yeah. Another scooter is coming down the way, and this is the one of the most not the good path. I can rate down this 3 to 4 out of 10 to the great quality of the path. So there's a lot of struggleness. What do you call that? The vibration while stuttering and the shakiness leads to the pain starting in your hand and to the shoulder. So if you're coming down this kind of road, so you need to be experienced one. So in order to have the smooth without any stoppage and the what do you call it, the traveling road. And this is me. I just forgot to tell that he is married to one of my friend. Her name is called Robin, and she went down to his village for, I don't know, with some purpose. And when she will return from her village, okay, next week of not next month of one of next month, just like 5 to 6 days remaining, he will shoot it up and they will start together. They're doing stuff at the night. She used to live alone. You know, not too far from his house. It's like a 5-minute by walk. And there's another group. And okay, oh yeah, खोर कहाँ गयो यहाँको? So back there was a landslide. I don't think so, no harm to people around of it. So there's there it is. What do you call this? Huh? Bro? Huh?
Cow shed.
Yes. Cow shed. Where's the nursery? Oi. Ah. Call shoot boy. There was used to be a nursery over here. There's a plenty of variety of the plant species, and what do you call that, the tree, they you will get the seeds of various items by paying some price on it. So there used to be once. Today I noticed this once. What do you call it? They just shifted that nursery to another place. I don't think so. They just set it up near this kind of path. I think they just sell it over to another the nursery company. There's a plenty of company the shops run down by the businessmen across the Dharan. Yeah, there's 4 or 5, I think. Yeah, more than 5. So see you in a little bit. पैसा लगा कैमरा से हटा दिया पूरा धोइले छेक्ने के जा
यहाँ हामी माथि कहाँ पो
ऊ यहाँ ऊ यहाँ ओ गुराँसको रुख ए रन माथि के को भन्नु त ओ यो के को यहाँ म चाहिँ क्यामेरा पक्रिदिन्छु भन्ने छैन कहिले यहाँ त
यो यस्तो पिक्चर चाहिँ गरौँ न ब्याङ्कको
यहाँ चाहिँ कत्रो यो बनाएको
ड्रागन फ्रुट
गरे तँलाई के को हतार थियो
आरडी डाँडामा काम नगर्नु नि यसले भने
उरेको नि सिनेमेटिक गर न छोड है अलिकति
नगर्नु एट म्याच चल भक
म मार
एम त रहेछ जाडा
पानी परो त
यार I told you earlier we don't have enough time to get in cover so
पुग्ने ठाउँमा पुग्नु पर्छ असल छिटो इन
so beware of this I don't know
त्यहाँ हो
huh? That was our destination for today. This is our destination. Yeah. Badal Matiko. There was a very fantastic view. We will get when we reach over there. Okay, Ashok, be patient. We will overcome with this hard path, and we reach at the top of this hill, and we get the what do we call that? The straight road. Okay. Not the slope upward, not the slope downward. So after a few minutes, it's like 30, we'll get that path. So believe yourself that we can do it. We will complete our today's what do you call that, the mission. Okay, so at this point, how are you feeling?
Very tired, bro.
Yeah, very tired. But if you are feeling tired right now, we didn't even reach the 0.25% of our route.
What do you mean 0.25?
What do you call that, the power? 25% I was mean back there. Okay,
0.25.
yeah, there's dragon fruit, plenty of dragon fruit, and they used to grow over here, and they used to sell it down to the market at a good price value. It's a value for money.
What used to?
Yeah, please make my grammar good, correct where I'm wrong. Okay. So
Fuck it.
this that place we used to come around back before. It's like 2-3 years back. There was a plenty of development over the ages. Right now we used to like exercise over this place. There was nothing. There's empty. I went quite in shock, so kind of surprised to me. Okay, so this was the good decision that we do not make the decision over to hike up that Danabari up to that side at this time 2:14. There's a rain falling over the place and these are quite covered with black clouds, and I don't know we will get the rain, but we just pray to God and that's it. So let's they are having the break of drinks break, and they are discussing.
भेगु त हौ यहाँ यसरी बसेर त काम छैन नि यहाँ
So we are having a beach jog right now. Encounter with a heavy rainfall at this time. So and who is it? So this is my kind of not a fully rainproof jacket, and I'm only worrying about my health. त्यो नयाँ जुत्ता लाउन आँटेको थिएँ जहाँ छ बिजोको थिएन
बुल क्रप चाहिँ लगाएर आउनु पर्ने रहेछ
पानी पनि हिलो हुन्छ क्या
यो मास्क यसले
We decided to continue our journey while raining. So this is how we look right at the moment, and having beach jokes. Behind me, my fellow mates is coming. One is under the wear the raincoat, the pink one. Make sure note down he is a boy, not the lady one, okay? And two of them sharing one umbrella, and I think they are having something in between. Look,
I know.
के गर्नु
छाता भनेको
अनि के म चाहिँ नभिज्नु ए भयो नै होगा ऊ म उसलाई पनि छेक्दैछु यार they are very clever, they are cheeky. Look from behind. They all get wet by dripping down to their shoulders, over the body, the water. They become wet. I don't know. From outside, I need to ask them, how about the inside? Are you wet or not? Let's see how we did throughout our journey while this is the I don't know, this might be our one of the toughest moment how we dealing, but I need I'm worrying about myself. I told you of the previous earlier, so about my health I didn't even fully recovered, so I need to be very careful. That's why I brought one extra my t-shirt to wearing it on, put it on after we reach our destination. And I did ask him, the Ashok too, to bring one extra, so this might be very helpful. Okay, see you. There's a plenty of poultry farming by the locals, or maybe the investor by the outsider of the local, and they are earning much profit, I think so. Yeah. म्याच गर्नु पर्यो नि त स्पिड यो चाहिँ तामाखाम एउटा पसल छ त यहाँ माथि दोकान म ड्युटी आएको त पर कहाँ घुमेर यो बाटो आएको थिएँ म र ड्युटी पहिला नै हिँड्दाखेरि ऊ त्यो कुनामा घरको छेउमा यता कचरा बालेको थियो, याद छ? So still struggling with the rainfall. So plenty of home and the school too. There's a shop, I think. Yeah, previously when we visited this place we did buy. Yeah, अब छैन रहेछ.
दोकान के दोकान
एउटा समथिङ राई भाषामा के पो छ हौ यहाँ चोकको नाम. I did got all wet from behind me down to my ass. It's like hot. This part I got wet by the water dripping from the rain on my backside. So this one of the disadvantages. Okay. We get the, what do you call this fruit? Naspati. There's the tree. राम्रो छ. Plenty of naspati. I don't know what to call in English. Shit. Look at this. How delicious. I did pick up to check it upon whether it is good, it is eatable or not. Then I turn it back. And nature just took it already. So not worth it. Let's go. So welcome back. It's been a while that we are struggling with the rainfall. Now rain had just stopped falling and we are about to reach half of the part of our destination, but we might cancel it. The top of the hill, that was the destination, but it's quite, we don't have enough time to over there. It might be get dark within a few hours, so we change our plan. Let's go Ashok, you can do it better. So we just cancelled previously we just canceled our plan to our previous destination was the top of the hill above the what do we call that, the Chindey Dadha, and now we back and forth we did back and forth the planning. Let's go, no, let's do it later, sometime, someday, and finally we managed to make him do it now. So he just agreed upon our plan, so we are resuming our destination. Because by Duty and Robin went over the ages of 2 years, 2 or 4, yeah, and we named that place as Jukatar. Cause the what we call that, the juka, the leeches. Cause of the leeches, we just found more and more number, so that's why we put in the name Jukatar. But in reality, I don't know what's the name of the place, and you can see the beautiful landscape from here. That point is railway. And that's the Chindey Dadha's viewpoint tower, and we must carry our journey. The rainfall is becoming a problem, the problem of us, and that's the reason behind it to being delayed. Otherwise we are just move it on, and we are just at this time by now we were back for the home. And I need to just open my umbrella. Wait. Yes, now I'm under the umbrella. an umbrella. So let's go. My leg is paining too, but I hope it will feel good after, you know, after the this long route trek. I hope I will get my inner peace while doing the trekking. I used to miss this kind of route, but no, I used to get in walk, to do walk. I don't have the time for it, so. And let's go. Feel the breeze, natural breeze. Okay, nature breeze. Okay, I don't know what is that. It's kind of what do you call? It's like a beetroot kind of shape. No, I don't think so. And that's the mountain and a hill. That's the hill, our destination. It won't take a long time to reach over there. It's more than less than 1 hour, I think so. Yeah, mark it on 3:44, and let's check it on the 4:44. We will hit that place before the 1 hour, I think so. Let's make it deal, and I'm too far from them. Let's go. See you in another video.
Chicken.
त्यतिकै मर्छ. So हामी चाहिँ हाम्रो आज 5:09 भनेपछि 5 बजेतिर हामी आइपुगेको थियौं लगभग. So we hit our destination at the 5 o'clock, that as I promised, as I estimated time at the down there near Chindey, and it's quite dense of the fog around here. And this is the amazing trekking type kind of place you will get around. तिमीहरुकोमा यस्तो क्वालिटी आउँछ? मेरो आइफोनमा आउँछ त.
iPhone 100 में
23% छ. कस्तो बेट
बोतल हुन्छ. घर त यो पनि हो नि, यहाँ तपाईले बस्नु.
हजुर.
ड्राइभर आएको कि
नयाँ सब पुग्ला नि त होला. खातेहरू आयो जाना.
ये हेर्दै हिँड्नु पर्छ.